Ahomaso eni jenko. Odo Ahomaso da da da. Odo ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Yeah, Odo Ahomaso da da da. Odo ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Odo Ahomaso da da da. Odo ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Odo Ahomaso Akumaa mama Zimbi. Kofabano no. Oya na Adom 106.3 FM. Ukiada ane emenda na jubia. Wachira wado eni je enti mesrawa rofi die infewo. Ye wado Ahomaso eni jenko. Wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Ye wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado Ahomaso ahumkankwa. Edana jua obo menkomode. Okamaso sam wacheche mere. Ye wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Emana joye de. Wado Ahomaso. Emasi knapa. Wado Ahomaso. Ahumkawomo. Wado Ahomaso. Emeni jeba. Wado Ahomaso. Ema wado yede. Wado Ahomaso. Ema walieso. Wado Ahomaso. Akumaa Zimbi se. Medase. Adom FM se. Medase. Yeah, wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado ye Ahomaso eni jenko. Wado Ahomaso da da da. Wado ye Ahomaso eni jenko.
You're listening to Akumaa Mama Zimbi, God's finest and your number one talk show presenter in Ghana. Better and inspirational.
The most romantic voice on radio, the distinguished radio presenter, and the lady with the most educational, motivational, and entertaining program. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mama Zimbi.
Odo Ahomaso Akumaa mama Zimbi. Odo Ahomaso Jimeso Maudonso. Odo Ahomaso Obani Berimenta Masem. Odo Ahomaso Awadimu Kutakuti. Odo Ahomaso Etifu Yamawayiko. Odo Ahomaso Awonfe mama Zimbi. Odi. Odo Ahomaso ya. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso eniwa marantie bedini. Odo Ahomaso eniwa mabawa bedini. Odo Ahomaso chire abrantie yerepa. Odo Ahomaso chire baba wekunupa. Odo Ahomaso abo boko na teletini wo. Odo Ahomaso Akumaa mama Zimbi eyiko. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Wawadi I say I am you. Odo Ahomaso Akumaa mama Zimbi eyiko. Odo Ahomaso. Nega. Sifidi. Nega. Akumaa mama Zimbi awade nye competition. Odo Ahomaso aware fire to wasie. Odo Ahomaso metini se kude dibise. Odo Ahomaso anajo ye de papa. She. Odo Ahomaso injeja hu mesikate. Odo Ahomaso nya hu fechi kofayadie. Odo Ahomaso mami shall scat you. Odo Ahomaso papa shall dross you. Odo Ahomaso Akumaa mama Zimbi odi. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Kaya. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Songo. Nega. Sifidi. Nega. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Odo Ahomaso. Akumaa, Mama Zimbi, Madansa, Madansa, Ahomaso, Madansa, Akumaa, Mama Zimbi, Akumaa, Mama Zimbi, Madansa, Maiku, Odo Ahomaso, Odo Ahomaso, Odo Ahomaso, Odo Ahomaso, Odo Ahomaso, Odo Ahomaso.
Annie adishimai mama mema wajuna menase yenne radia senso if you say oh yeah na ado ye ewo hoda momati asifo nyina nye so amen and amen and amen eradi nim ni oh yeah no ye ma ne ma oni e friend twedi ampon ye twe na ye mpone da odofo mu tie mi minim de watse minim de we hunu ba yenye ra October busumi na yen sembebre enso enche ne dia fe no akwawie ye anamo be na utu ama ho adwen be na wo ye wonya mesum etisen mamesa na ase if so nya timi ni na wa sha ase efre wo ma wo madi mfie du nwotwe ekro wa sha ase efre wo yire empletie I want for so tie or memon penny for tie and a sofuku dam so tie great man of God. They are all listening to the program because it is their program too. In the studios right now is Efo the businessman. Efo ati saying
Adom Akumaa boko.
Adom boko. Yeda Kristo ase. Emra osofu ni monso eji na konwen na osofu ni mo. Eti saying boko. Na bi kasa go afidie no.
Boko.
Osofu ni what is saying
Boko.
Yeda nyame ase na fa chichi ni hyeso me hade.
E focus remi.
On slow. Eh yeda da so. Eda so say boko. Enya na be frefo. Uba no area studios no. Oh nya asembe ni. Na na mu dey ni call say.
Oh good.
It's good.
Good.
So what the radio say?
Ya dey nyame ase papa.
O so fu ni what the radio say?
Ya dey nyame ase na dey kura dey mpaibo no ano den do.
Ano den. I say breaking yoke mpaibo 21 days of fasting and easy. E mo she but we still have the power to go through. Efo and Agya you want to say?
Oh Akumaa. Didika no mi fa sidama Nyankopon.
Amen.
Na say o ma di pabichi. Na mi chiati fu nyina barista. Say nipa kwa adwuma bre so danso. Esan say odoni na atrasi. Any program le we anipa ni ase agi woni futuo na awo mu no. Ano no ti barista ni party. Ento obi bi o ti bia mi chera kuma dwanu ye ba niema mu na nsheda nyiba wonim se barista no school niema na nipa tutonti.
Ani.
Enso wo kodia Yakupon de obedi nkwa de odibe ma.
De obedi no e ma na mo wo hu. Wow. That's good. That is good. That is good. Agya Nimo. Waka asemo. Afini kwa wi esesi na kwa de wo ho. Wa ma wani anya den, wa ma nya mesum anya den, wa ma ni kura din su ani wanim.
Na niam esei. Niam esei. E ku champa ibo mo adam ni se nyame beye.
Se sempa ibo me ne ebo.
Sempa bo aye body ye ko gura 2019.
O sa.
Ba no se free sabri ko die. Eno ho mpa ya na ebo se Onyankopon be ya adom na de be ya consider bia wo ya kwam be ye free na 2019. Onyame ya adom ma he.
Ame yerem.
Eno mpa ya na se ya obi ebo.
Wow.
Mse nyame so de bitwa.
Obaye nso mana efe.
Obaye.
Nyame ebeya mana efe because onim ye ma ne mma. But it to the beer ye na ye nya otwen honhom. Ana hu sa.
Eno ni ade ba ko a haye no. Nipa ya na ye rashi. Eniema bebre but Onyankopon no onim de ye ma nipa. Ye wadwe
na sa ne mma.
Ne mma. Na wadwen a wo dwen ne nyame so dwen o. Nyame de wo na wadwen bi a wo dwen no nya no ne nyame kora dwen. O de ase ti nyame de no onim de ye ma ne mma se e bia nanka ade be chin nanka obi ama obi bi kase bi ana but nyame no onye sa kakra.
And that's a main topic in this no. In Koma ye bontino. See a prebibia. A ya ototobonso atuka afu nyame opese ye bu ye ketem ne ye da ana opese ye ko ne ye dinya ana opese nya adwumade ye dinya
oh adene de ye okun wonnanya so Bible no kra kan me bu se me train je mu zin o se kwa bo ntete anchen ko ne ko sue ni nyansan no bi o se oni obi a ohwe no ono onye hwe enso no hu nyansan se obepa aduane aye den
esi
ono kra bo o two step na woni pa obeda dai nyame de ade ba kro wo mpa obi o ya kwadwofo kra wo mpa na me mpa obi o ya kwadwofo wo hwe nyankopon krofo ko yusu wo mo no de wo me adwuma no a obi no ano o ya kwadwofo Moses no kan nyan so o ya adwuma
mu ya adwuma den
nyame frɛ no Elisha obi o yeskani pa o donafu o ye obi o skapa o diska na Elijah se jawo adwuma no bedi machi enti nyame de wo mpo obi o ya akwadworo wo ya akwadworo nyame yusu na wo ya akwadworo nso so a wo bebre because wo ya akwadworo na mpeso be ya adwuma be de nyankopon so we hyira wo enti adwuma den ye na ye adwuma den na onyame so emoye na onya Adom
me dan say Efo osofo Nimo esi enya adwumaden na no enemu hyew enti adwumaden na wo se de fiti ase from January and I October, November, December, and say enya adwumaden
Akumaa me dasi kuma wo hwe adwuma wo be ye dia na ngidi se wo specific time de wo be ye adwuma se wo be trans ya se ye wo market na wo ton ade a wo be twen na wo trans ya adu November December na blo nyane nti na wo be ton ade nyani sa adwuma de wo ya wo start ya fini nyina wo ya adwuma di because Akumaa wo say atwifo mo ka baby say ababy say hukikanti na uja usa wenu hukika Agya Nimo ka abema
yo beja more
boyre wo kan say boyre anti no esese wo tena se wo betwen say adwumade ni de ye wo tena sase su pe start adwuma nti no men twen say wo betwen say wo say midafo bi na oka kire mse Akumaa ade bi na oye no si onya 45 years ansa na obe start say oye adwuma na sese de obeji ni asisa wonim say onya 44 years pe no wawo wow anti no onu kasa no ma no agi say wadu agi wenu asa na obe ye adwuma anaso obe ye bibi ensu tam na ndu ko obi nim dia besi Akumaa Nyankopon ye hu papa because atoro bi na mi call epuna no na mi trase wo hwe Akumaa unu say apuna da ho is bigger asa esuche sasi 3 times epuna eda wi asi nyina no esuche ya enso wo hwe aso no timi pasa adu baby adu no ntimi mbomba na Nyankopon mi hwe sa bi Nyankopon enso kasi we se dia ba eba bedu baby na isa konachi antimi mba sasi sunu we na akire se Nyankopon tinu Akumaa de o kan se adwumadin ni de special wo ye bema wo yo ba especially ye bema pa de adwuma de ye wo ba sasi so anabi ye de adwuma hye sa se we wotasi ntinu ye se ye twen se ye betra se wo bedu ba bi se adwuma because ade no wo ye adwuma Akumaa wo ye kwalasi po na adwuma ye de be hye wo yiro na wo ya wo se wanyi po na adwuma ne de bia afu se obeye because Akumaa me enne adu Sunday mi soro no pa mi kasa me prami demu me clean demu because mi ye kwalasi no we no yidi shemi obi transi obe oni ni yiri transi se oba ampla demu e dan wo be ko obi dan po TV po no do safa so bon se afi because sadi no on share na si on fa share na si because adwuma din no so ye be man ofu se obi timi ka se be man pla entinu be man pla entinu kwalasi ni nyina wan pla na odi sadi ni tra no enti oni madwuma din ye ti adwuma ni de Akumaa ye wuwa ese wo ye adwuma din ko sitama abewu no be ye adwuma ko sitama abewu sana mi pese mika
yo so for Nimo faso so
ye ko school ni every be say education anya sa no kan
education e da so ho
say entity
ya
mebo so say ye ko school no na wo ye be makra wo be pra
ye pra
mebo ye ko school no na ye na no mi nim de na school no na say ya ba ye wo red blue green yellow yellow section red section
now section by
oh me no na me ni section but now I have to say me leader of the section.
Oh, I see.
Omo ye bibia wi amena me inspection na makoye say wo pray one pray
oh na go check inspection
check na ma hihye e bia edru Friday session a wo bo modern a wo di first ma ye ni nyina na me da come teachers no
okay
na teachers no ko parade na o so abobo say this week red form na bo modern a mo
and I agree form na we are
yes ya abobo na ya can red face and me dey na me share down prebi but na me leader or classroom na me hwe session so mo adwuma na me the report no so akoma teachers nti ho no start adwuma den na ho no start so what you say wo be pra etora bi ase ye kodo afuo school afuo ye kodo afuo bi ase ye kodo ma teacher etora bu be ye ase ye pack afu na ye do ni nyina no ye practicals bi a wo ye for your life so wo ye school na se wo ba saade na ye usuban bi atu mu a wo nye lazy ya wo betimi continue akowani and education started from your school time o be share usuku ase no ho ne de betetew ama wotimi o background and the yana time say do baby na say obi so ko school wie wonya adwuma nya yana time say yana ha me kakra nya akrati dwuma no nko na emani pa wotimi ekowani
enti enyuma ben na betimi aboso ama ye mane mu bia wo mu da so tifie wo mu nyoma adwen so mpadwuma bia ye na emom open the easy way abendada obi ye nka ne hekra no wo be so obi ka ne hema no
correct ni nyina ye laziness adwuma de we can carpentry we dey sua carpentry adwuma mason work we dey sua fitter we dey sua
nkasa den
fitter we dey aye carpenter we dey aye you some activities adwuma activities bi wo no mo a wetin de ho awuram yes ye dey adwuma bon mpo na epa adwuma pa na Akumaa saade won so se wo ye na opportunity bi ba na se wotimi nya opportunity bi ko aburuchira visa no betimi akoboa wo ho ama wotimi akoye adwuma kase as engineer na bibiti sa but wo bi wo akọ school wo pese pen kwa na ko tena office na o twere bi so na pen so ani amwa
okay
and this who follow sa pen no na o si me nya adwuma nya wo bene na ho sa wo nya adwuma debi after what we school kra no sua bibi
insanu adwuma bi
wono kakra nyam betimi abo ama wotimi akowani na leta wo adwuma wo pe no onsaka okowani
yo me da say mama ko e for na mi sa no osofo ni mu abobo so betimi aye carpenter obetimi aye mason obetimi aye shoemaker obetimi aye nema bebre adwuma be na betimi abobo so ama other people so moti wo mo nya adwuma
Akumaa mi dasi ati se de wi asi course se no se u be transipa na u ma uni asi nya dia Akumaa u be kaji se ye ka baby se aboa nipa nyina dane aboa na u ndane ho aboa on be dane ho no be aba wiu Akumaa ye ko kro bi so na papa bi si dan na dan efie no mo friend 2000 ye si titi no papa na di loto 2000 enye enne 2000 yo 2000 no
200
and what this is ada no nti omo di gone this 2000 enso ne Akumaa yem bi sa cement ba ku yese enti no wi ase ba bi di akose se no wo ye wadwen se kwa Akumaa se obi bet mi wie SS na sabi ontimi ko university na wo kase e bia wo pese obra na jeans aya tunto obe ya adwuma kakra obe kase because of why we SS in ntinu ofari so beto ade obia pese
ti se force here obeka ko selection na waton no ofari so beto
o pese anka by this time na Adom efre mu di na transfer ha no ye general manager ona say anka office of the president or bank just say white collar job but me one no bisa hu say ani pan na wo transfer no qualification na wakita no betimi okay okitapo Akumaa ene university for wie ebi ye koko ebi ye brodo ebi
me say ebi chimbare chikele wole
ya lady bi na wo fani brahan anti no say wo be ka say media ma yesi anti wo be transit saadi Akumaa be din especially me nua ba no na mi pese mi fa futo ni mompa because wo yo ba na wo mia oni asi na wo nya adwuma sebi me man na be use because won kasa na wo no oba expensive wo be ya onis wo be say ni nyina isika just obe mo no be fast come out timbe se adwumadin no sebi enye se wo be transit wo bank ana so be transit obabi won kasa baby kakra bi de obetimi aye ice kenke Akumaa bi ye toche bibia kelewele dokun ene koko ahunti no enye sabi ya utie penifu bebre wo obi wo na o stati brabon obi wo a oton pure water obi ton cassette ene waye great man until me dey make can say aduma bia no stati fi baby asana wadu baby until me expect say ubenya 100 million sana obi stati ya aduma obi ton pure water oton pure water kakra no jai no oton semna no jai kakra ene until mesre say enya sika ado akoma anya sika kese nye fa ya aduma o
me da say
anya sika kese nye de ya aduma
akoma me ka se mi jiro
yo
maybe me ko kan shi wona no mo ko bompa ye bi
kasa ni kakra
me ko kan shi wona mo ko bompa ye bi na sister bi kana sem also buy no tompio on the first pure water so ni
we mo
cap
na esa
and I be how say chechere rubber
mu ese no for satan e fe no for
and no buy was starting kakran nti wukọ okanshi dwam wa hye edwa samina geishia we so obi twam na ohu a na ofise of an easy
one fan easy was struggle pa na okonanim na onya sa ayin nti afi e ba sa na afi stores na wo no omahu no nti wo ba no ma no ba wakoji bi ohun on kreske bia o wakoji oton ya
no de profit no de and so call no another wine so what in kakran sa na you cry me na so what asa se kra opezu si dai
ba hu de nyame
see
adeshe my mama baba Akumaa mama Zimbi near on the program Odo Ahomaso on Adom 106.3 FM no we educate, we inform, and then we encourage time and again, and we be ameka say men train for one son show them refemu and castle of our ho auntie wo ho me papa will be me mama will be and me nya adwumaden ye ka say medie nie ye nka say ye die nie enu nti me nuanom ma ne me ma sha say ka kire mo say maka say kona koche bayre with gizzard and a fish bia me hu say obi ewo university or ye bi emana ye all you need is packaging ubetimi aye na say dokno niema be brain ko package in traffic and ankrofo eto your different types of panel ebinu ye bi it is going e die na wo ye ma wo ho e na wo tiwa ko gina junction na so sa papa wa mo na nie bie wo so wasting time wo ho we di wa bre wo yin se na bre entu be gina hwa till thy kingdom come e na wo nya obi nso ma ne mefrɛ entimi nua ba me nua meme se nyuma na ma ne ye no eye huhu bra no memem ni so e di video ho awram e moamo ne e moamo chena ahomaso no mun lie down low munyai na mumrem ho ase and then start small beginnings kakra even now that we are in the month of October sweetheart every day nipa didi eduane ya de bia wo de hu hyem sa wo nua nyame adom wo moka wonu aduane nua wonu serve na wo ye neat wonim kasapa enya ade a obeboka wo aduane bia mu aduane ya dan so no nipa nhwe distance ahane bogo babedi asa na chia ba entime ba mo chow some ladies have started Omo cheme Akumaa we said the Kelewele is not going bad. Also started first now ferry, but said the no. I must say why so proud of doing it. And it was started Kelewele no from 10 a.m. and no upon 10 p.m. So I'm an sister craba be can until sister come market ko fane mane breno. It is great. Obi chi by re obi yeso e din na wonso obetimi aye. And so no you dey wonyo yo
Akumaa we dem ntwa no so
mane ko ne ko topic ni so
Akumaa wonu se ma mo wa brochire wo a otonko bi wa brochire wo we dem ka me percent ka dako ka wo
enya wo na wo ka kire me na se me hu wo mo ko brochire obi o ni fie ho a no oye wa che eton ebi ye dokru ton ebi ye ni ma bebre fanti dokru
wo ti Ghana
na wo so onya hwe na o pevesa no aton sika nyina aton hu niam nyina na de kuma connection ma ma ju sika hwe ebi ye shito eyeken ebi ye shito e wo mu dem no maton ama the Ghanaian community abroche no else what the office Yo, me da say. Yet they will keep on encouraging you. All right. Adishima ma. And we yes the education ni ma. Now for topic of the day no, ya de bremo. Topic bi e be bo ho komo no. Na je say entokwa bi esi baby and na misunderstanding bi esi baby. Anyam bia ayi Efo.
Akumaa.
Se wo koda. E dey na wo hye.
Yo, Akumaa mi da si. Akumaa de di kan no. I think say Saturday no na me hwe TV. Now I was so impressed. Say program we no enya award.
Na me dey ato.
Award no say no come Ghana nyina Odo Ahomaso. Say what me anya award no. Ye be don penifo asi na omo nkasa hu say aduma pa wu ye no huma na mo no award no ye am fa ka nka huma yen why say Akumaa wini no matam card ba ku di amanu no enu na sire mo body mo fa ka
ba me na omo mo vote yen so ase yes say one kasa untimi nkan fo ho but I was just waiting some bebo so na mo so na in fact na me person ka me ni trophy ni kraba na me dey try your Facebook viewers but then late we have Saturday or chat television me kai e dey akwa they voted enti ma me no mo say it hasn't been easy maybe we usike bia vote em bia no Yankopo enshamo na anti Mary B I don't know that woman but she calls me catch them say Akumaa I'm voting for you I'm doing this for you even the day of any community ono ka say na edide and there was so corner abaji you know and see RTP organizers in the bibia no yet I must say at least every year bia me dinka ho and this is the 8th edition Akumaa Zimbi Odo Ahomaso bibia yetimi wini bi na me nimpas me wini anka me invite me nya di machini akọ
Akumaa why adi
jidi ka ho ye
once I odi poba omo no mudin nyina ba no ma yadi once I ba because radio station is na tosu and say nipa force 5 na mudi ba no nyina no ye be da mu nyina asi na u papa nso wa yi no so no on the 3rd November yes say ye nyina ye ba be hwe uni asi na because Akumaa this is the time I say actually Odo ni di ma enti mesre bro chief na matie nyina no 3rd November so manya o ma pe no kungele don so manya na ba na kan abi o be na troke ba hio no chapine ba fie ngega e ba tuni che lo no amba le nya hia wa hem Akumaa le e ba je so manya hem ne hani so manya bi o esu no lo on the 3rd wa to wa malejon de mi kan say enti no o papa ye so hwe nso e tra ha ni din won te say papa wa ya di enti Akumaa na question no wa bisa mi no wosi mi beda mi shede
o beda o shede
oh Akumaa mi da mi she boxer short na mi dida
o she boxer shorts e na wo deja
na mi she
okay
me nyo obidia se me da naked me practice sa
okay wo she boxer shorts e na wo deja
ni mu da ho
zip nka ho
dabi
me da se
the question no can
Osofu Nimo
Akumaa
Odo Ahomaso ne away
menim za
ne e kan se de tie aha na education wo de do tie na mo so omo ye
omo mti ase
me da se Osofu Nimo u beda wo hye de
mama Akumaa me nye doctor momudie but Dr. Fuaka ama me suma sua bibi ewum kama but sebe madie wo beda na wo be sha sabo sa shoso ne die according to Dr. Fuano say
enye enti wo da wo hye de
me nhwehwe se wo manfra mafa wo because
Osofu Nimo wo so beda wo nhwehwe
me born naked
Osofu Nimo hello
oh true na me catch wrong
hello
me Canada me nhwehwe
wo beda wo nhwehwe
because we am nantia na me koda na masan hye do no
wo nhwehwe Adishima Odo Ahomaso ni Adom 106.3 FM ubaba Akumaa mama Zimbi wiase afane nyina da masio maya krado na mutie na bi so ehwe ye wo Facebook ni abuwo nkomo the encouragement ya ma the empowerment ya ma the enthusiasm bibia the mamo the topic of the day ye hwe si e be kompemu a do our partners really care about what we wear to bed and before we start the criticism no me bisa Efo And you know, quack or down, we shed the also shed boxes without any zip, and also a open free, you know, and I may call also funny more. One of you was say, or Dano, wine raw, naked.
Me shakura na motete.
We shall not take him.
Shakura.
Now, we used to that.
Oh, Nessa, the Hodia will be born alive.
You think also be a born alive? I want to come on the banner. There's what we should be
a born life in the Hodia. Wow, partner.
Okay. It's one naked son or what they come permono. Not then hair for our dream. It didn't need what was really running through your mind.
Oh, said a farmer dream is say, Nipa. Tino, Yam from a family.
I don't go.
Oh, say, Mama Akumaa, and from my fire.
Okay, me that say. Efoga.
Akumaa.
Are there any needs when you are going to bed?
Well, Akumaa.
So who come what are the things I would dream? I will first here who rampem. Who quack
near my dear, my dream, the condition of my room. Akumaa, Mimi transit is here. Sabi, me high die, chamber horn, I'm a transit. Akumaa, me were ba 27 years, girl. Me second born, 24 years. Akumaa, lady can I mean 21st October, made me birthday.
Who will do birthday?
Yeah, 21st October.
I've wedding,
50 years.
I will celebrate it for
50
you.
years, 21st October.
Really?
Antinu, the lady can me camera yafi. Wow. Antinu, Akumaa, I bet depend on Nipano, cause Sabi, Akwala 24 years, 27 years no ni minche. Or no Cassandra baby. 24 years in India because of Oko school in Yamantino. Or Asad no me school ye. Tinu or Minche. Na Chembe ho na Adamuna. Say Sabi, me banu ebia wa na do be fa bibi and I say obia obeti me bana me down naked. I think say is one of and also kahuna I mean pese meti me da naked. Do oye me ba obehu me nakedness ni so na me pe. Antinu me used to because there be anu mashe boss anu na me di adasa ntinu enu so ka ho nti bi eni
nipa da no wada wonim dia wo de esa ahomache kura na sabe boxes here eye front opening na enim ekopie na ade pia obesi akodwun so obehu
me ko dware kura da kura me ko dware ayi babonti me ko dware na me she say boss anu se no e bi eni ka no because ani singlet ni peja no ade no ayi je to sir Kinkro, Bodosa. Miss Ukoma, Mahu, and Anipa, Compa House, Nanipa Transit, Manantisa, the Amicona. Asana, Obi Tiami now to say, hey, I miss it poor Akumaa. I do win that.
What is all that way, Pierre?
Mananti over 50 meters. So, say, I bet about him, so my name, I mean,
and therefore, bathroom, new bedroom.
Dabby,
okay,
your bathhouse or.
Compound,
yeah, and then you me need 2 bedroom yeah dabi I no be me there me transfer yes yeah yeah sunu yeah kaka me kusum
there be comfort that's all comfort what will comfort zone
yeah
what will comfort zone
antino Akumaa ebe dipa nipa no sebia se me tramia me fie me ni me yire ye we dan ye ba no so woni ani dia se wo kan we no dia obetimi ayi sa so barista nso no owo wa utiasi na mi dana mi yesa no owo be come mi
enyo owo awo ba weather na sesa and temperatures no asesa na say ya na awo ho is cold
ni na mi ka say mi pese owo be come mu na mi da ono wa ra mi mu sa enu so be adichin ebe hamisa antinu ade ntina mi da no mi peja mi na owo no kwa ochina me there me kwa aduma what has intino depend the condition of the baby that what trans no ukasa wo hwe ohun see the tie no na wo dey ba bebre minim say oni pa bebre no beda say because me yiri say onu so da obeshe night gown
onu say o ye she na ga anga mbese bi no mba ho no ba ho ntem o she night gown
semi kasa mi ba mi di radio na trans wo so ti asena mi kan tina anti se mi bo betimi afre mi force na o she na gan na mi so mi she bossa na bossa no de ya anim no ahoma ya pa kwan ni da ho
and easy penetration for you
utasi na no so na gan no she transparent no transparent very transparent etina pipia ti se de wo da ho ni kidna pepepe otasi nti Akumaa anye se ebia edan no nika no mehye no se bia pipi nti oba ye me kire wote ase se de bia mi ba ebi obeba na mi da ho sa ni
nti wo kata ho asie
yes
Akumaa se me kasa naked na chese no so naked ayisa se no bia crop bi
enya hwe why naked eno anamate et why naked na wonso wo yire o shaden
enye se
wo yire osofu ni mo why naked e wo mpem wo yire o shaden
una se Akumaa se ma obusa mi de wa mu ni mo dressing
minim je waka ebitimi de matade a mi she
eni o ba bia no wo
ebitimi she trousers
ana me boa na gan ya na o mo she enu Akumaa enu o ni
ana mo kan isadia ye wani pa bi obi share jeans di da
jeans
oh yeah emba bebre o dia
jeans ni mi dem
Agya Nimo o jidi satade a mi she obetimi a shade da
we o me mpire ma o je we na
wo mpene ho
o de be ha me
aden
na o se
o de be ha o kwan benso
we yan sha na we ye sheda
Agya Nimo de be ha o kwan benso osofu ni mo
Akumaa
yes
ye koda we de we so ni nkan na ho we ni would be ha me we de no de fagunchen
security men unite I mean both police and the military they are listening hey
na o ba bi
private security for unite
we wicked
daddy enye sawa hu we ase na transin utwi homa na emba na bibi atnam utwi homa na emba na bibi tnamu Akumaa ba bebre be ma bebre before mu beda no be share taribia na se bibi no bia na kondi problem ni utna ho unu oba trasi emba especially na wo nye di opema no ebe oba na be di manu pass obetimi ye uperima because sebi be ma ye be manu bebre de bia mi kan ye ti di ebinum ye ti di say oba koto week Akumaa oba koto week 20 Ghana 30 Ghana ye ni ti oh mi ra mi koto week mi pe 20 Ghana obe ma betimi ka che se wani bi obe ka wani bi na mo no na adu no ahye naked odi sabeda anti no oba ne bebre no obe da no o share jeans no o share we no a timodi no obe because say uti edi a usu na ya sinsu yedi Akumaa uti de mikanase anti ne be depend condition say the aba ne be ma ne tie because obe ma bi wo no obe bi say ba ne be bi say sika o ma no na mo no anadu bia no o pese obe ya adwuma o da o say be ma bi wo o ba nakedness kakra bi pe
anajo pese o de adwuma anajo pese o de adwuma
o say oba ne be ma dampa so dia so o pese o di no
oh okay
o pese o di no nti no say ube di no be bi sa o bibi no be ma ana say bibi no peru ma no dia ne sa do be sha nika no da anu nti na ba ni bebre sha nika ana so be she try ana say obe fa ni ti ye di woni ni kurusu nti nti no say asundwe wo ne say odo ho ne Akumaa efe keke say muda ho na oba fa ni na atusu na say won enso nse wati asi me ma pa adwuma na mi koda no me yiri okọ ba bi anadu tief obedware ansa no da na efu ma kwa adwuma ba na oba ko dware mi se o ma bere u ko dware sebi u ko nanti sa ampiti no kan say
omoto
oboto
omoto
ana ha no so yere ubatwe ubatwe nyina ayefi ukoto dwe ni nyina aye say fantatoa ni nyina no aye na ufu say sa fifre no na wo hu no wo di beda na wo expect emba mpe that kind of oba peroma say obeti bibi wo anaduwa pesti oh why you bibi oh oba no kasa hu say yes uni asia bia uni no na o si kodware mi yesa won kodware na anadu no wo do Akumaa on penida
on pe man ni na won
dabi mimi yiri se mi ndware pa anadu obeti mi aka chem se mi ndware a ene mi kodafo
oh from pa
sometimes the way of force me kwa mi say na wo ade mi ndware fa ho si ndware fa no fa no obe halisa na mi di titi na mi di kodware what I say anti no sa niema wen kitin no awari na awo mu no eye the condition say oni pa no the way oye oba trimodin say oba de ha no wo titi na ade bia ni o ma na dwe nyina yeshi obehye ni kade da cause oba ono say oba no so bebre of say oni hwi do be bo trimodin kura dia sa di ni do the bo trimodin na wo di sa di no so mo di bo trimodin ya papa ya o anti na oba no so anti be ma bi won so hu say ni yiri sa ba ko mi adi no open no afiko be ma no Odo Akuma ba bebre ni be ma oni ni kunu transfer dem asa ni ma we problem obi kwa o si sa dia wo be ye dia fama mi scanner mi koto wig na sana mi fama so be ma because of adi na taking na aso ni moniti ni take ba obepia anti ye hu say de oba ni penyenye ma no de oba ma penyenye ma no omo mi enu nyina no nyese mi kan mo ba pe o oba bi so wo wa ono so ni ti ye di woni kunu so be ma so pe people person obey man the be man no be share jeans no the other me fu say nyina no ye ni ase agi ni ye da ho a obi a ye nyina ye be ye ho beto ye pe
be comfortable adishima Odo Ahomaso ne wa Adom 106.3 FM. Apart from other empowerment here on the topic of the day, and is what are the needs when we are going to bed.
Akumaa,
do we think of each other's needs when we are going to bed? Also for Nimo on the why Jerry we I bibia no or koda obo naked. Efo nso se obebo Jerry I bibia but obeshe everyone say boxer shorts with the front open. Great.
Akumaa,
yes.
Mama kan se we fu kan se mi na ma me kan bibi kakra mfa ho. On say onipa bi wa wo ji ade a wo the force. For you say me trim ya tan una wo ma misika na me mfa ngoye. You see obi wa wo yesa the way I wo kasa ye no wan wi be ma na Akumaa ye den ade bia no me paucho me sero bia wo mi ti won se enye fe be wo ba de obi be hu sa obi ka se bi kura wo no wo ndrese me yi nti wo de me sero ma me bia 10 cedi 20 Ghana bi na me mfa nko ye miti mama bia no wono mo wo kasa asem wo kire na wo betimi apeto aka to se me mfa de no nyeden emma 2 say ope 20 Ghana ko ye wuti na nu ntima ma na wo so be hye jeans ada na wonim se de si ware so dia se ade bi wo be ya akrokro wo
but Agya Nimo ana also for Nimo the diverse here we tie me o me how nya wo how me yare nya wo yare ma dwendwen nya wo ya adwendwen woni buo de mame wo didi matam de me ye bia mfa ho nhyem na edu anwumra and the measure jeans na da e da de belt abom wow and look anya ne ka ba ye se ye hwe se ye be kompem a how do we e de ne be ye dwen yanko ho ye dwen yirem ho emra ye kompem ye dwen ye kun memra ye kompem ni ma be ne be ma nipa ho hu se na wetimi a relax krada. What you say? And ye dear no one cost 1 pemo. But and come about is sweet say when I'm off a modida. Those are the things we are talking about. What you say? Obo fear you ma ben yumra or marry on yashi. About what you say? And say ye dream ye kunum and my ye compem. Ye dream ye dream mo and my ye compem. And to your bana obeko or warini now obeko and pemu and yumra. Nema bene was say ba wadwemu. Now we are hitting on it. Bisam said and I wish what do you wear just to raise it up. What you say? Your nakedness is alone as a pastor also is wow. So what you say? Every day also the boxer shorts are anywhere be and also you wow. But then and no na wo share akwa dano a dream ben na efa with team edema partner wo share we na dey na wo expect we use on share what bo naked. Should you also be naked or you wanted to wear something? You will say, we need to attract each other. Say, ban a bedroom, what's up? Are you getting me? As Mama would say, I hope someone will see us here. Your beer, no cool or no back or that hall. Now, I share your friends a bedroom. what is happening?
So
does it bring togetherness? What you say? But oh, better that queen man man here na be friend no. And you know it's part of romance inti. Or that one so no. Or be anybody half. It's what I want to be out here through the curtains no. Oba be man so uncle. I mean obi any language here. One more etia say. But the fear be mu dear. It is this the man is saying say obey or jariye bibia, but bibi say I don't know they be already. And it's a midi can be so say or shut her dear editor. And yes, why any bonny be, yes, why any bibia, but I can't. So as I say, tell me, I say do bedroom. What do we wear? Do we think about each other and now we think of just ourselves? But what am I saying? And to what born naked? Who expect you so bad? On us born naked, will you be okay? Now when you're home naked, say what happens? What bell does it ring?
Oh, say, me say, you no, we can say, entiasie na uwenya, and I'm sumenya entiasie say, ye ko beda, born naked, or no pay. So me be man be a ono do born naked.
Ma discussing abahun komo. So would that the ja na okwada me de.
Correct.
That's great. So
inti yemi ni aka ya adwea bo ho na ya plan ne ya form so ade no. So inti no na wa anya me mfo so say ade inti na wa anye because obu a obe ya ade inti na ma born naked na so born naked na wa sha atade wi na de he obu wana ntokwa na akofa Zimbi birizo ayeden amba enti mfize obia no partner no ye obia nya life mo say wo ye wo dia wo beboa me so meye me dia be den e beboa yen but enye force me force so say if so share e dey won't me kan chane say wo share dross so they say but wo share dross are fine ora fine because ubia say no na say anya sa anti ase na ayi beba o me the dress na me she wo se woro umun say na akoye he so this ye jai sa ye nyina say ye be jai ye ho ama ye ho say o ye ubia partner no ubi pre no na ebeboa wo ye bed no mu a fine eno nkofa yi kikikiri bia enye den emma we hana ba kokura bu ofu no film pa so na akoda konyum because of small discussing akoye he only mfise ye understanding ye nyina nyanti ase ye na enche ye nyina ni munyam
efode na ho ka ho
Akumaa dia wo ka sesi ya no say ye look romantic on bed first thing so we be compass no say make sure say wo dware wo dware wi Akumaa mo satan no ye mo bebre ni ye fu say sabi wo pie ko boti ansa na wo be use deodorant na baby ba anadwo so won say Akumaa ma ba fie mi yira noa banku aka banku ni tilapia ni ma be di banku ni tilapia na because that's you have to paste say anadwo na wo be dan we ye bebre no ye nim say anopapa na ya paste ba anadwo no wo be paste because wo da ho na wo no yiri ni abo komo no bo say mo nyina manum na ufusa Akumaa anadwo we ma tilapia na mi koda na mi di manum sa koda na mi kasa go me yiri so ni ase anasabi makɔwi apɛtɛhyi bi anase bibi na mikasa anu ema we ne udware na wo di deodorant kakra fa se pada bi po na be bo sabi deodorant ebi ni bo nya wo benya kakra do be fa pada bi po e fe keke sa Akumaa bo se wo yiri bo dware no bo we no o di pada ni bi gu ni we no ne we no wo kan say flow
ni from mam
na o di gu na pada won e fe keke na mu da ho Akumaa sabi enye de bia na mo be da na mo be di mu ba aye fe say onu yiri da ho na of ordinity atena osu sa na mo boko mo atoro bi na ni nai e be to osu na mo bonko anya marketing kiti we ni ya ye on pasu utasi
Matias
enye say ordinary na to osu ti sabi woni ni be da wo be e bia be ka so wo be fa no da na se babi na mo no make sure so wo dware wo pesti na what jare say wa kasa obani kasa di niti atran so a wo say bibi papa bi afiumu say support tapo na wo she boxer short po na wo she neat Akuma ye be man bebre ye binu ye she bossa shot 1 week 2 weeks ni ya she now di koda ho oba be na ni ase beji ti sa ni ma kitikiti we no ye se ya sua sana ye be ko bed so se no ni ye kadia sana mi pese mi tu ni ase ne
me da say mami ko Adom FM Facebook na me kan comment kakra aba ewa ha yo Aya Bimpong Ajay say Efo, I have missed you so much. Hope all is well with you. Watching you live from Connecticut, USA. And USA yeah, almost show. Frank appears say hello. Listening to you live from Tantra Hill. You do all, Efo, you do all. Agya says there are 2 types of boxer shorts. Tight and loose type. Into person who say, "Oh, boxer shorts, a tight one, you open, and a loose one, open."
Akuma, bossa no, your baku de material one, and your baku so stay plastic one. Yeah, nina ultimate.
Okay, but the iPad, okay for some of the better.
I think say material one, so cotton one.
I loose, you know. Yeah. You and the watcher. Agya again said the loose type is good for sleeping. Yeah, that's it. You see, sir, Mama watching you live from Milan. God bless you all and God bless you too. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yeah. Nana Yao says, Efo be funny. Hey, Efo. Oh, I'm so funny. Why? Things are happening. It is important, said when you may are going to bed. What are the things you wear? Should it be romantic? Should it be raw? Should you paste the Efo cano? Should you do things, Obama Brazil, no Yin Manas one day. The hand Yabacano, this is where everything begins. It's your higher and Yabacano. Yo, Adepa says, very true, Efo, Yabacano. And that your fans are costro. And you're easy. You see the okay, you're very, very, very true. Bimpon Jay said, hey, F4. Okay, I read this already, and it's come back again. All right, baby, I do the me activate 4 lines. So no, Emma the Shemaima, na Obi Biara and starting and check. Na Juni, na me sabet me a friend. Now watch your Juni 0302 16561 0268499347. But I say you're watching us live on Adom FM Facebook. I thank you so much, and then keep your comments coming. I am just going to read them for you. Lines have been activated, you. Akumaa, Zimbi, Odo Ahomaso, Akumaa, Zimbi, Adom FM. Mema akwa abadi Odo Ahomaso.
So.
Hello.
Yeah, ma. Good evening.
Good evening. Mema akwa abadi Odo Ahomaso.
Modern so.
Me da so din baby afre free.
Yo, me din de Yakubu, me kase fi Bojase.
Bojase fo edam ase tie o.
Na Efo kanu me ne ya adwen pa.
Mo de ahi.
Oba se no be ti o. Ono kunu da na wa yi bibia na do no. Ono mbaye. Akumaa, sometimes I am a fraud line as I said in Yauna Minun, come no problem.
Sawa, Line is why she power Kwaku. Hello 0302216561 0268499347. Mema Kwaba di Odo Ahomaso. Hello. 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 Agya Nimo kasa.
Hello.
Mema kwa badi Odo Ahomaso. Hello.
Hello.
Good. My radio volume nimra from Kakrawai. Na fe kasa.
Hey, Akumaa.
Hello, Udin baby afre free.
You're from young.
Yo ya yetio.
Akumaa, program, you need to move.
Yo, nyame nstramo, and I didn't massia.
And yes, no more degree. A friend, Efo and Agya. And then you would die, you can share a United.
Oh, who is a boxer shots at the other home?
David,
oh, who here? You
band me go on to share 90 crowd.
Oh, you let it or Koda, who Koda, then I'll share.
Jeffrey.
Oh, you didn't swear.
On Jeffrey.
For phone, my Miss Anderson, no son, Chef.
Hello.
About to say.
Pacho, my Akumaa now swear.
Yamia Domami Desamunya, but let's see, the Musian near my free Odo Ahomaso. Now, about Koda, what shall you?
The Pacho said, the Muko, and Sape, Petit, so I know Dominamus me done in the Obecan me yet. One church remedy in the BBM, me diso pepe.
Timo Koda, what shall you?
Yen Shashi, and naked, so for Poquakai, naked.
Mo bonus out.
Me Pacho,
Moda, they just sana moda, a didn't see.
I am a dear me 2 sessions a chair news, Waja. Crack, not Daddy a baby, yeah.
What to net says Swan Asa?
And one so
A medium size one.
me Pacho,
Meda,
a medium size.
Meda, see about Tampa. Yo, yeah, the master papa, I'm there because or baby dear or shot I didn't do in fear pneumonia or any kuwari. Over sudden or shot I did it. Mema kwa body board Ahomaso.
Adom so.
It has a bear now, Dean maybe after free.
We are my James New Spinters. Hello?
Hello, Pacho Dean maybe after free.
Pacho James New Spinters.
Yo, it's you.
Efo when Agya was your party there, you can pepe. Hello?
Pacho, it's your park also.
Efo no correct. Oh, yes, no. It might be or I didn't come on my do or Mukunuka Bontino. Mammy, and you be out here or by the bear says 6 o'clock. Who could have fed my baby 7 or no, but the bear said there, bear 10. What is I seeing? What gives one Eddie Coda? There is one Passadiano, at least. But no room at Urunya Quarry was a car. And didn't say for Carunya no class on good because him in my bread. But my brother, I am and
I come on San Pao.
So what I say? And Tiabasano, I might be Manos also lose hope. You will be so end up if you can be a boxer of Baco, Octamunipe, the whole week in our shop boxers in a can. Was I yet to Panatif cross account? I was say as I'm not quite
ordinary to Panatif, dear.
Step boxers was no way now, and you're to Panatif. Some
Ashwana Sabon.
What you say? I don't know if you can, who are Uniska, who's open out to Tonga. Oh, my.
Meda Sequeco, Emmy Desimusia, the anti-actual said day, and you met dear, and was a bear may be a Jerry or baby and so Jerry. Now we are and Umpono, and yes, I would like a camera, bear mana be due, and that's why I called about a man young coupon abofono, it's me bell. Meda say,
Yamisham be brave.
And shall super brave. I mean, shout, Papa. Number Sabbath, me a friend at Wagen Traba 0302216561, 0302216562, 0268499347. Mema kwa body about Odo Ahomaso.
Odon so.
Medase, would David be afraid free?
Nanani.
Hey, Nana, it's a saying.
Yeah, Adom.
Nana, it's you.
Akumaa nim baby.
Yeah, wako, Nana.
Efo kai. But me nyadwin.
Also,
Yentia ense oshe boxer edida no. Wo se ahye bia boxer ya hye anase supporter de anantia enframa amfawo. Ye me man so no ye boss no. Enum na ye experience ni ade no. It is a uma heat to be bra. Ubuntu experience na light. Enti no ubeda sadia na wayi bossa na so supporter no wajare yie kama na frama fa wo ti frama fa wo atem bia wo ahoden ensese wo ba be efie na wo be jare na wa hye bossa so wa be fie ntem dia wo betumi ahye ni kabi na frama fa wo kakra ti edu tama so wo ku jare a wa ku jare wo ba no wa be da naked na aboa wo be ma na wa hoden ana ma no so no esese ensese wo jare be for se me di twemiku at least wo be nanti kakra nti wo de nyumre no be 6:30 no wa yo niema nyina wie onu aduane on chansen wa huhuru oba bi o wa on huru ni chansen ni kuku on huru o de siwo made a cheso so huhuru kuku no kama butu no fine na fo ku jare wa bo powder kakra destin powder ibi na wa bo kama na o de aba ku no hu kura na chese ani je wom so hu na ntese wo be kwa share pant no de aya na mo de twin aso because me ba ho a se me wuro na chese me so na se wo pepre ho antino ende se wo wuro ni ade obi kura de ende ye body po nti o twin ahoma na na keda ho kama we ni na na aya de sia oh but send your Canadian se yes boxer and supporter edida
nti na de jasa
yena adagasa
nana yedase Odo Ahomaso ni obia ehre na adwene sede tie yo adishemaima Odo Ahomaso ni o for the reason why share boxer show explain enti efo ma explain makama me ma akwa body Odo Ahomaso
modern Akumaa
yedase wudi be bia free
but your friend me mommy hope because I free be my camp
yedase mommy hope yetie o.
Okay. I mean, money you more pamoye.
That's you.
Yeah, na me cruise on some peso with Jerry cry. Na yes, as is the 18 program. Yeah, me can cruise so they be on peso with it. Yeah, me say that. Me no ma set nika. I say an idea na the other me to one or could Jerry fast. Oh, but yeah. Yes, 18 program Miss Mafutu can main campo no
akako jare testimonies on Odo Ahomaso ebini o nyame adom 18 solid years oni ni kuna ni kunware ansa na wada ba mo sha se ti Odo Ahomaso no be mai jare enu ti onko be fa strategy se wunware dia obehye shorts obehye nika intent man say something about our Agya Nimo ene e kameda se papa so at least we do testimony about Odo Ahomaso. We empower, we inform, we educate. Hey, unyani baby, we say it as it is, and now you can't say, "Oh God, that then I will shake it." Shed ye and somebody bo. Medasio, me wa kwa about the Odo Ahomaso.
More so.
Medasio, dear baby, I'm free.
A patcho. I promise nobody me feel krubo dumase.
Eh, it's say.
Nyamina Adom when you now so.
Nyame Adom yedase.
You Akumaa when the washo. Say.
Ma already following from kakra why?
Me patcho mafe. Patcho ye.
Ah, Mr. Nobody.
You so obekaya tam na yisano. You go school nearby, you better be agro, you bought and you never fall crocker, you don't need the but I see so crop, you remember Obia Kugale and son of Wada. You mean, you know, the brie and yes, hardy. If you say Sanka, oh, Kugale, and also Ujali Fian of Parnes and you may crowd Babeda, S. Ujale and Sana, Baba Abeda, Uyo Bar. Or bar crowd young as 2 times or 3 times as a ujali. And yes, sir, said you, our linear, dear, our leno, maybe that. Fentano, and yes, idea, what jolly side, the piano, ujali, and son of Fentano, or baby or said you, wouldn't know a demo or crano. Said you, ni pants crano, you could sent ewo or bano.
Who can we now be a funny bedin and wako? Who can we away the dross and a mubon and waka fa or be about bedin free and a mubon? Oh,
Ebia me yere crano. Your boss sent with now by into war. Bear manoa, where you be a sent war the dross when you will only know betting me akafa. Oh, a ya, ma ebia so pants no nurse one man yen ka say ebia every week on some we see so wo kwa kodwale a no we see ba ko no wo be hata no fine no fine no so me be ma de bia no mumie nu nyina no mo ni be gem ho ana me mema no so yen pay dwale e so bi wa dwale no pa no a o feel say no pa ba we dwale no enyimre bibie ni nti okwa no akwa oni oyire akoda na se bia wan dwale na se oni no koda ompene da nti na ma no bebre wo ha omusho ye no edu ha obeda wo se ne sent wo nti wo ahye jeans no wo ahye jeans wo ba ya onje mu da chokoko dwale tie mema no yem dwale no enye ya dinya me da wa se Akumaa me da se
ayi tete no na ye maame no wo ni wo ye ho ba say ye gya ye ma ama nannies ye gya ye mama house help and so dwari o so anwari o how do you know so ho enti e be san ye chi akwa kofa e ma yi ato ye George Martin said good evening auntie, you looking good, I love your smile, thanks for the encouragement and also the empowerment for our ladies. I think married ones need to upgrade their bedrooms romance. Can I get Efo's monunu? Me ma kwa body ba Odo Ahomaso.
Ma odon so.
Me da semini aba udin baby afrefre.
Me din di ma opemo. Ka Efo se mi si me chanu pa.
Oje o so pa.
Efo. Wa Akumaa. Efo we ni ka pa o.
Enya agro.
Enya ize enyime de mota mayasi ade. Ma Akumaa. When I said, be me, yaw, mea, minia, and manu be ni be mabin. And ne bria any biabama Akumaa. Ubetina ubisha utini center. A yami bisasa said you almost become no shakawa. O shakawa. A yami bisasa I worry for no. So what is sent to be Ukunuana, you want to make catchanana. But ube ni sia one and can sing a yellow. So no shakawa. And then maybe some who say, and see one free. Said you Obano on catching the Kunsa on Shinisiana.
Oh, and yes, Yana white.
Many of them, many of our say.
And yet, Obia sin a white. A be a brownish kakra.
And you see, and yes, said you son and Yakupo Diamano.
Oh, where you say photo?
I'm telling me, soon, sir, my yellow. Son, I ate. And she makes Akumaa, Mr. Minian Mawale for special. So who will be Ukunuana you want? Catch you. No more Bontina and a Bontina for catching. Akumaa, ya indi your honey. Mr. Yendi your honey, and never any biaba. And so about betting now the sense the old. And I'll bet Judge Wato, I did bet you would to my bone in my bonds. And every say, my business, yes, I didn't know what I'm how. Me who I knew coming be. What into my bonimuno in Nama Bontima Akumaa. Me who sign a ye tankasa. Mr. Minian Manu. Eya muti Adom efe no mushanya mapa we kuma on papa ma nyako ponchira munyina no
nyira onso omutie Adom FM no na omutie Odo Ahomaso. Laugh, sir. Bathing is a medicine, so learn how to bath before you go to bed. And women bath properly. Yadamansanane Afrifa says, watching you live from UK. Thank you so much for making time to watch the show. I love you as such. Oh, I am more testimonies in more. 18 solid years of Odo Ahomaso. It hadn't been easy, but we are still celebrating. These are the testimonies I need. And ma munya radio. Na me say, mo dia mon komo counseling in enwie. Na empemu agro counseling no. Me nemo ebe shase very soon. And your ban kwa or ban beba and I set time for ban kwa because there are certain things here. And so bani who made mamo because I am the sex doctor, I am the love doctor by God's grace. So man, me the sex school seriously. So get ready. Get ready. Yeah, Jeffrey say you are so sweet. And Jeffrey, you're sweet too. 0302216561 0268499347. Okay, Nana Pokuba. Mama Zimbi, good evening. Watching you live from US. Good program. Both married and unmarried should learn from this program. Bathing is very important. May I say, me mo akwa ba the board Odo Ahomaso.
Odon so Akumaa.
May I so di me be afrefe.
Akumaa of Akini.
Yo yetie.
Station second. Yo Akumaa nyame shaw. O jima pa body abo my Ghana. I'm cheerful and Agya Nimo. Shamo. Akumaa boxer shorts asema na mo kanu. Once boxer shorts e wo mutu ye wo la long. Ene ye wo cotton. Ena once abrofo no de ntia la long no mu yusu no ho mo. Ntia la long say Ghana ha no efo. Eno sha etakew enfremanya kwa mfa ho. Once na Efo Agya Nimo yes obonike. Agya Nimo boxer shorts me dazi si akwa boxer shorts ne shem. But utim say me bibia e free. E boxer ne show by boxer ne wo mu bebre we be free. Oh bi wa wo sha.
Who the cotton sisi na osha na say wo sha nylon.
O cotton la de kwa mi chiri kura hit we Africa anyama ye enyama ha hit no ti abrofo no de ba mo okofo su me gumbe bre nkofo su nim omo
hey wo fa ki obasem so wo just a boxer shorts na meme bi she no mo ko fa first line
bebre boxers ni e force no mkoto la long de abrofo no she won se o weather no e ho weather na wo nti no ya
de mesren set anya pede ba force pa broni line long boxer shorts de oh haba me pa mo chow me sramo
Akuma enu se kura ka wo sha e bia wo ko swimi wo ko
Dabi obi boxer shorts unim de wom
Dabi Akuma
unim de won show ase unim di charge de boxer shorts
Akuma
obi di awashe
ene de okokroma sa bibiri to bi sa she but
ba mo cho monte so
Akuma eno no once enfremanya kwa mfa ho eno ke de ko dware suo mu ne ba bi sa weda ne yeku a wo ba ne yusu but ha wi ketekete na obi ase ne hit na bam
over ke me das na we de jai campa wo be kasa me eti a wo say false boxer shorts ade me sra me eno de obi otobi bi onya to obi otobi bi jai to
you was stop.
There's some Susano be catching me say Emma, yen panty say she a bit force dear, Brazil crabby force dear, me pamucho, one panama dad and say a tax boom, tax someone can fix you. Those tax, man no fix gum. Me ma kwa ba de board Odo Ahomaso. Hello 0302216561 0268499347 me ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso
Akumaa Odon so empom ti say
Nyame adumo Mr. Jaben ye nyame hira wo Mr. Jaben
amen
yo yetie o
eni say oba de unukunu ho a de be man be yibia sabe emfa wo ho enkame no se wo so pade bi no so mfama enu emma kwan se be go do ho bonnet modern because enu na kam bom na se wo yes ade na kete tembia bibia behia no wo ka kente se wa fa de kona ma wa umpa ho ma no kete se bita fracture ase de wo ton wo ho ama wo kunu no
Mr. Jabe me da sma ma me misa we niama ben ena wo kunu ya ense se wo de ho kam no e wo mpem
se wo kunu sabi otinsa e de bo asum ana mishandle in a certain way enu de na odobie ni ho akwede se ahoma eti na woto a na epo abam saa time no isa obema no onno ba no na wate wonsa de abo no na onno no dia saa de se de do na eyo onno no dia se okon ho se be okoji wani wo ho na se ohia bibi na se ukintimi fama utim enyina so nka se enunti o bonnet modern e was adie no because enu na nyame e di se munware ya mamu nye saade nti munware dia enu ne kam bom very spiritual it is ebufu o kura mu ye saade wi pere bufu na teko eti wan fa ma no na ebufu no uma emu atwe so na ukasa de bonnet modern o there be obade sebe me nyame hia bi saada ewo me so we bo kura se bonte apokura okunu yipe odebema no ebi wonte apokura bi abema no kura nim ana oba no wabre kura se bi odebema no because ya de nyame dia kam abom enti oba wo de sa de book no timori no na ye edo na odo no
Mr. Agya be wa kan no kra mo but remember bit me boat timodene wono a on care about you wono a on ma we buo ono a sometimes e didie obedidi watam sa and sa papa anwumre ande san obeba ma ne so ni
sabre no obema no ompel
okay
ompel na bema obe oba san so no enye enso di na odobie ni ho
yo Mr. Agya be ye beda se pa e education wo de amaye me mo akwa bo de Odo Ahomaso. Hello Pacho mo radio volume nimra from kakrawai
Pacho
that's would maybe afrefree
Pacho to mo na kaza sha shata
eh I no aboyete o
Pacho teno kanide ba chefu ndo mu chefu dos asama romu do mu kudi pa chefu ndo demo o baba kada o bayi nu nekedo asama anda ai the monthno aya mun kon suye because o bi mo wale and so me no jana odo o boneket and how did that woman there was one from Kutina odo mun boneket and so mun did that that's how odo choosing
Your honorable Chesa Okoda, Udjaria is good. She will say and also a year. That's why yes, I am nyina Emma Odono and so thank you so much. Memo akwa body Odo Ahomaso.
Don't so.
Medan so dey baby afrefree.
Me you could am na say be so na me congratulations to them.
Ah, medan say ye fro say.
Oba de ebenu a I was saying, say, and you may be you should be ready for game.
Uh-huh.
What I say? Obepo me be a good day. We need to cure. Do the other women you pay up to police. It's just like that. Every day, why I'm ready for him. But she always very romantic. And then many of topic is because you knew we can maybe adding company. What we the company with the company. And that's the topic you have the
Men so me da assess when ya mre etie no afa bibia frim na ogusu efre Odo Ahomaso de Nyankopon nsa wo munti no emre bi enkomo bi aye bo no ebua wiase afa na nyinara ebua mo ompratwe mu ebua mo so mo awade mu yadam ase papa Mary Eshan said this is a good show and I love it. I'll keep on watching it and I'll broadcast it to everybody to also watch. Odo Ahomaso e Adom FM Wednesdays and Saturdays from 10 p.m. to 12 midnight. Odo Ahomaso on Adom TV Thursdays and Fridays 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. So sweethearts, make a date with your own Akumaa Mama Zimbi Vic Jami Fro na me kind messages Auntie Vic me pa cho Jami Fre mama kind messages ni smoothly at all bacho mama kind messages why sweetie mama kind messages yeah me da say mama kind messages no John sir, oh my god, oh okay Efo my mama kwaba
oh yeah Joso
Matse conversation and contributions na abano then Efo over kan ewom
ya Akumaa me dasi me who say unkasa wo body no the way I will maintain no fi kwalasi Akumaa say obi wo ho the kwalasi no ye be kaso ondware won say obi a wo hye no hu say tembia no odware mienu no obanyi na ade ni ka no ho hwe Akumaa so obi wo ondware mienu ntimi ndada no obi ka say oba ko da ho sa obi danda no so obi sa sori ko dware ansa woda because odi sadi na hye no amanika won hu ba obi wo no fa hye no Akumaa ye ka wo sisi an ye wo ba bi wo ba bi no wo a mo trasia ebinum oba bi wo bo so dware mienu a sabi no any menses anti no bo say tempo be so dware mienu pe no obi a hu so we de why any menses cause so onye any menses a ba ko no dware ye on ba be bre so wo a yo omo wo sa problem on dware mienu ono so wo so dware mienu pe any menses
yo obi ba homa ne so me ba me ma kwa about the board Ahomaso
mo don so
me da so din baby afrefree
nkum fitama
yo yetie
o fa se so mo badadia ka se mo bonike da ya fine
aye bonike da ya fine
fine na me yire say no ne de kwa so da na o ba no o to kaka no de chu la ti bi ewu nti me fo kan so boxer side dia wa fo de ndu ya so mo boxer side cause at least no so mo bonike o bonike de
Efo said ni maninti ene o share boxers no
and so bonike da wo so isu ntuma mo de ntuma na da ne ze bonike ba de ntuma na da nti wo she ntuma mo ye leke
ya da se
amasi bi kwa ni a wo do so ko wa na chese eda hama no so na je bi akuyi
mo de mo no
mi chefu
me de true me da mo se
Efo me cheo pa ja mi shira o ne yo mo po mi shira
Akumaa sina mi kan say oba no yo Akumaa wo show we so na mi trans na mo fie no obi frɛ sɛ ne yiri mpɛdware e bia yo ba ye be ma no eye din sɛ e betimi ba bonti beka sɛ ne yiri ndware na se o problem sɛ mbɛma bebrebe ka no kore sɛbi Akumaa ye mbɛma ye hu manipa sɛbi oba bi wo di no kwa odamu sɛbi o rada no po ntimi ahumi because of sani ahusiesie no nyina no onye utasi na bon say on dware o obi wo po si mi ko ohuru mi ho no afa nsu agu no keke no asan ba se o shi udi mi mi dware anti no se de wo ka se ye pese ye hu lovely se odo so asabi ye nyese wo do oba no be da ansa na wo be dware se Mr. Jabi mi bra pani so ba bi do ka mi ba bi mi ni nyadwi se enye ubetimi di bibia nsese odi sade we boy Akumaa se mi tena so hai na ma kwadwuma no saare mi hye bossa shot sebi Akumaa be ma no bebre bossa shot ko yigu okra eto sebi obi wo okra ni kra ni opepa de 2 year utasi eto bo se
sebi enyi wo mutru mu no omo je mu di nso wo hye
utasi nti bo se bossa wo yigu opa na ebi ni bi wo to bossa dum na
wow ame fa me next call am pacho me ma akwa ba de board Ahomaso hello oh hello obi ani so ana hello good me ma akwa ba de board Ahomaso
modern so Akumaa
that's udin baby afrefree
I'm back here from John Frefinongwa.
That's it you.
Akumaa mi da wasi bebre any program na mu ye no. The time I start to say it you no na ake. Ba Akumaa won say boxer shorts no yom different. Ba nia man we ka say force there no you story jet. I need me obi a chance na wo kwakoto. Enu so wo ho. Ana obese media na mission say nia won say enye say ni ebe title ba ebe eye ti say nika type sa no enna mita ehye ba kuma mi mpese mi congratulate you na mi invite you
yo me da so invite me here
hey wedding no
oh I see yo ndi ajime na ma ya na wo de aba na ehwese menya emre e de aba en crash me program bia why 0244261200 first send me SMS text message why Okay. I'm making John say amazing show. Akumaa, Mama Zimbi. The economy hard though. Guys, we know they fit buy cotton boxes. It be nylon now with the wear small. So really speaking, some ladies don't like bathing at all. They should learn to bath before going to bed. Me na say John from Kasua. Yo, John, yeah, that say. Cotton be very cheap. Why? Cotton be very, very, very cheap. Thanks for listening and also bringing your comments on the show. Agya Nimo, Osofo Nimo.
Akumaa.
And what's here the acro?
Oh, fine, Omakasa.
Yeah.
Also, Akumaa. There, Barbara, the argument was say, Chere Akurano Kwampa, one fast, Winina. When say you go school, no, you be or I drew a beer and quality, make your coat.
I make a coat. I don't go Dario. Or when I hold and I say, and I sound no about sweat your coat.
So, what the make your coat to make your coat to say, I know the so I say, but me said I'm a love city. Madam, you say we nipa. Indeed, yes, I force you say, go you we. So one guy's only pan, what drain, and won't mediano. As soon as I did, we ya. One guy's only pedriana bedding. Now, Kojario. Why? Do the Debbie and can't say Kojari? We a money bit sir, a memory bit sir. Young function no, Sabine, mammy, and papa, and Ramano said, okay, Kochako to sir. But when you why am mature? Do I know I am mature? No, Wako Warren, so just a bear so sends you coach was a gary. Hey, dear, baby, what do you who says so? And you never be what mean can't or mean for so, but we are so usual conscience. We use what we knew, dear. Now, it's one damn pem, none in conscience, and then I can't say Gary. Now, between I cause damn pem, and better the bell with Jano. No, what from because me, what were you the pa? Oh, from. Oh, so funny more. Oh, I'll cook on you. We didn't yarn to one hour from. Who couldn't yarn to one hour from? We any panty, me per se, yes, we and some catchers a quiet. Not as a mini one, you won't yet. Say yet, as so we know a cow who say, Miniwa, obey, me or Honsua, obey. So, fine. And I did be one, yes, a winny pass, I say a catcher, say, where did the coach was sent? Was Sodiano Power ruining? And I say, see, we any power, what drink, as we yes, I did. So, not a cow. Said your man so do a chin by fear the way and almost so wedding. Esia, when you say, oh, yare. Now, we better catch a Koran, say, Usuko Jare. Oh, I did be on my winny pan, Nuka say, you know, your Buddha will go as some conco say, Cogne. What more dreaming in the Indian Sunday? As I said, we. In fact, the whole can't say, and my baby, one more kunum pejaria. Remember, we so how we didn't be empejari. And say, no, say, Ma omo encourage you, Mamma Kai Omo, but oh my dream was so to me. And yes, I miss you. What dream? Oh, you are in swan. Now, baby, when you dream, mommy. Then it doesn't matter. And we can say, near my acting, and the thinking comes crying refi. Support when you support Tau Nisamaro. Now, Masaka say, oh, the maestro Kojo and she. The lyrics back or say, me Jari. Namidi perfume, Papa Asrami home, Amamido. Me Jari. So, and who Jari. Now, why him at the amount door, now what's me at your door, won't pem, what's me at your door, will damn, and your dog was so dear, near my pony becca, yet there's right. Say a money be a mumpejaria, a memory be a mumpejaria, Jaria a draw. What blessed day, now to me in so good one, as you do, and massage you. As soon as you even Saponic crowdy Jarino. Support the jaw, the massage your body, will skin no. Emma ne bow, and your best friend. Mom, we share coat.
polish on that for munyanyan na mukun no mo yirima hu se mikun we on pejade obi we on pejare muka ho bi ni ye kitten say ena mani bi imema ni bi eya omudi pushi omo yirima ko abonten omudi pushi omukun e de ko abonten ejare de ye enti obi ensua ejare ne ye ka ejare asemi a ema ne ma ko yie no na wa hwe adwa ye se de tie me pa cho support the Jerry how many months ni support the Jerry how many months ni esan say line long nti ana misro from January no yes say support in premier and na afi no akwawie enye wonu kun de pe na abesesa but emra wo sesa wo de no na wo sesa omba nso de enti support the Jerry line long here majority of people you see me pa cho utobia January February March April no asesa April May July no asesa August September October November December na no so asesa na hwese de tie towels no untimi yisu towel ba ko sa from January to December me pa mo cho
Akuma mami
me phone kasa wo say
hadia madifo
udi for kwa benso
sapono na woka no
sapono udi for
did that
wo say sound sapoda
2 years ni no
efu
me ba radio so twatro
efo
2 years ni
2 years on sound sapo
oda bi say me na me dey minim say titia yes saw
emu edura sa
eno na me yusu sa say na lo no very big one
edura mu nyira
ya me pro ne bi hata wia na awu ne mi ba na ma anopa na jo ani de ma di for ne ani ukai a china pe mi call me mi ni ase
no ato from efo ansan na obesesa na tie me anopa ohun dware wia sapona de bia ode samna eguna de dware no o china make it time anopa udware wia sapona fatu ntuom na fa samna sanchi sapona na si na hwe fie wo won say we get support we the samna shame na we get tell say but support nankasa no si support nankasa no si na hwe fie wom eno nti na hia say support yesesa towel yesesa entime sramo oba pa wotie me surprise wukunu na pe won say so the beauty of it na say you was support colors e wo ho you samu support you beauty sponge e wo ha wo di dware a enye nylon ye na promo but your special beauty sponge ho ha wo di dware a erera o pores ni mu na yiyi oba bia wo mpese wo skin wrinkle wo di e ya frame and I sentence when me that beauty sponge na unso fedjare ba me sra osesa wokunu sponge ne towel ene o made menka so o manyi e ka ho na ya nkola ne nya rashes no e ya na efi e wo sapom ba me yiga na manyi na ye say 10 years ago me di education ba ye say wo ba bia na safata so be sha hene ne ma hene ye mfa nware it's an exercise you need to go through o ba bia o sha hene a o kodwa ne wayi unfa nyare ufia wi na sa hye biom now your ba na ude ahene adware a one time yi ahene no fa to bucket na bob mu na fa so hyegu so eya mo kitten bi wom because ahoma na edam no enwo entime so mo so mo gu so mo de testimony ba no I want it secretly no me there so obi can say Akumaa for 10 years and I heard you saying say beat say what I say me and Fenyari, I've tried it and it's so marvelous. And you know, Monso, me fancy auntie Julie me that say papa. So they tell all my council for so beka. Hey, and time and age, nipa ferry. To comfort of your home. Call into the show na kakeke. So when you this empowerment from Odo Ahomaso. Hey, be onya kind of being sweaty me aka. Was there be unka? Oh, mama yes oh. Mon celebrate me when I'm alive, not when I'm gone. You need to celebrate me now when I'm alive. Yeah? Okay, and see, I forgot, we have 5 minutes to go. Yes, I'm Konien Kaya, she might say. I come here, say 2.5 months. Na, ye de afeno akwaye. Yen for ye sa enya juma. Yen yen mu mani bia, omudi de ebi mu kunu machi. Yen yen mu mani bia, omudi de ebi mu yirechi, a omu nye juma. Yen yen mu bia, omudi epobo ena omudi ti wiase. Yanshe year, the year 2019. One shall unkom. ebe the first is makra emma meto mo na mo ye bema na especially for na wo krom na wonim 4194 ebe si ne obi timi me power banking no I say phone na otomo obi tell them say this year mo nya biom koso
akuma medasi kakra me kafa hwini enu na wo kanu de mi Efo for instance mi ni asi ji ho papa say oba anokura ka ho pasu na wo kan me rafi na ma say oba di hwini anka titi no wo say especially yendiam ba evefo no na krobofo no oboa ene na Ghana ase na obo krobo ni ba no si o fa hwini ngu na si ana say eveni no hwe what you see now eye fe keke na ntino sese no omo ja no makototo chain no de go ma se no de yempe mo fa original ones no papa no mo fa to ko so manyani todo wani ni mo ye papa opa enu ne yepe Akumaa de wo ka fa se afi we no se ba no maye madri se ye na mo fa ya di bro nya no dia afi we de munya ye biem ye ni asi ada ho papa se bro nya bedu ni mo be fa ye mimi mo be fa ye hu ye o ye koto we dia afi we ye nyina no ene mo be di mu dokuru kwa ye ni because Akumaa enko ba ni se de bia no ye be ma no ne mo di mo ni asa tresu ye se ya aduma no nka sanso fa bo bra me koto ukoto ntuma ukoto we uko oba bi wo wa oni ni otrasi bi obeto bia obeso obi sabema okoye kites obebi sabema okoto we obebi sabema bema kro
me ba cho me so me kan bi wa ha Agya Nimo can you or say if you bat twice they say you are spoiling water. Just say also there are some places are in so anyhow or in so why and nama womo and those places you know we are ban out in premier no yes we say so or say enunti and a maybe and me you are in premier no e focus we
me ni Agya anyadwi because ono so na kire na dwi because Akumaa dware no enye bucket and so bucket na obe dware nse no so dware o baby wo betimi obi betimi fa
our Saudi Arabia no kasa
tiasi na kakra bi kan se Akumaa em se sisia wo say sa nakedness ni edida no so hono mi rafia sa wo say obi wo a on pese de bia no obehu ni yiri naked ni kun naked sa no adu ba bi super na atini ni asi anu su ka ho na kakra mi kan se mi si ba no omunye o madu se afi we ye be ma no ye o Ghana no ye ni asi ada ho omunya 2020 bi ntinu before e be call 2019 Christmas we there emu bedi say be ma musika no de munyi madwen fi so Agya
Nimo I just say Efo locks bi o ba bi o ento o clean Asafo Nimo
mesu mi tu efofo say en firi no ko on shop box no bi on na naked
o de kasa kasa go microphone no ni anka
beto ire ni ase o so ko awro o kauro on say Akumaa ya nkola boni pen o ba asesa nyamiti ko na ye wonwum tumpata on say me man header ye dun sabo bo to pau onni ahendre so wo ye tumpata ye be say o
shebi na o shebi
na ye de tonyom so ati na wa so ba na ye di huru say wo de wo mfa saade ni binye den
ento wase
but the man be ble so ya na emiemia sana bibreka
debut ahenie no wo dey check you weight esama we shape and to obi a person who say you are really putting on and then you also share ni ahenie here wa e ma hu say wo swate emia wa otumu say my kese and so say me ye bribi e fa ho
correct but obi wa onim sa won dey emia no nyina no opia no
no opia koso debi
fine oh adwuma ye beye na mnim say ye free sa next month e ko bebre ni omire no be guess bebre ni boys in bayaka because do that
mama shased o mo jeja won no mo petu eni o ma yaka ebi so mo tu kan e so mo nkra he
correct because it do that out now so share there
Felicia said Mama Akumaa I'm so surprised the guy said he was going to perform the marriage rites this November 25th and I said on my birthday or say yes. But it was this yesterday, he called and said he's got some contract, so he's traveling. So we need to postpone the marriage rites. And I'm saying, hey, it's a lie. he's deceiving you. You see, that's why I keep on educating and advising. Say it is important that wear your drawers. You having intimacy with the guy is not a guarantee that he is going to marry you. It's not a guarantee that when you get pregnant for him, he's going to marry you. And there have been a lot of testimonies. Once again, I am winning award Nibio RTP. Medasio female radio presenter of the year. Thanks for your vote and everything. Nyamiya Adom 3rd November. So many Presby Park. Nama Babuani see Akumaa Mama Zimbi. Ne papa ni nyamina. Paucho 20 black and white. So pasu Friday ni beer. And dear, uwe ya. Wokon cry MTTU uzuhwe ogre ubenye bi ato ewo ho Nyankopon dum no mo aye Efo me da ase o osofo ni mo me da ase wo a wuti enso me da ase I mean from Facebook. I love you all. Keep watching. If you say a prayer, just say one for me. Producer Prince and Agya J, and my boy who is streaming live is called Ian Refudi. Jonas, you have to write in the names for me. Not Jonas in the Bible. Or This is right Jonas, who is great, who's doing a great work.